It would be nice if we had a reset button in life. Imagine being able to wipe away all the mistakes, the wrong turns, and the moments we wish we could do over. How often do we find ourselves longing for a fresh start, where we can leave behind the burdens of our past and walk forward with a clean slate? But God has already given us that reset button. In His infinite grace and mercy, He offers us the opportunity to start anew, not just once, but every single day. God knows our struggles and regrets. He doesn't hold our past against us, but invites us to bring our brokenness to Him. In His hands, we're not just reset, we're transformed, renewed, and strengthened to rise above our past.